Hey, welcome to saastoolinsider, where we help you find tools that save time, save money, and actually work. Today I've got something clean, powerful, and super affordable. It's called Email It. If you're tired of paying monthly just to send emails or show a pop-up on your site, keep watching. Email It is a simple email sending platform made for developers, marketers, and anyone who wants to send newsletters or transactional emails without the bloat. You can use it for opt-ins, sign-up forms, welcome emails, or even your full-on newsletters. Let's start with fast and flexible integration. If you're using Laravel, Python, PHP, JavaScript frameworks, heck, even plain old SMTP, they've got copy-paste examples ready. You literally add a few lines to your config file and boom, you're sending emails in minutes. No bloated plugins, no weird UI, just straight up control. Next, the all-in-one dashboard. This is where you manage everything. You're sending domains, webhooks, stats, email events, all in one clean interface. You don't need to jump between tools or tabs. It's fast, real-time, and easy to use. Now let's talk about campaigns and audiences. You get a no-code drag-and-drop builder, over 300 ready-made templates, and full control of your email lists. Just pick a design, customize your message, and send it to the right group. No coding needed. If you've used tools like Opt-in Monster, MailChimp, or ConvertBox, you know how fast the monthly fees add up. But with Email It, you pay once and use it forever. No subscriptions, no hidden limits. Plans start at just $39 for 20,000 email credits per month. And if you grab Tier 3, you get unlimited domains and 100,000 emails a month for a one-time payment. That's crazy value compared to tools that charge that much every month. So if you want a simple, reliable way to send emails, grow your list, and stop overpaying, Email It is 100% worth checking out. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.